Good morning, my cutie patooties. Welcome to my office. Cass just brought me a couple of packages.
I'm here for the unboxing.
Yes, and Cass wants to be a part of the unboxing, so they're gonna be here. And of course, Chimmy's also gonna be here.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course. So, the first package, to give you context, a couple of weeks ago, Cass and I were in bed just scrolling Instagram together, and I have never once, okay, in all my years of Instagram scrolling, fallen for an Instagram ad. Never. It hasn't happened yet, but we were actually on Cass's Instagram. Yeah, and there was an ad for this tote bag. And I was like, baby, I love that tote bag. And as y'all know, Cass is always the person in my life to convince me to buy things. So before I was even like, I need that, Cass was like, I'm buying it for you. And so weeks later, it shipped in from Canada. Ta-da! So let's open it. It's from Totally Fine Co. Oh! They get so many cute designs. I'll attach images. I was really debating between the Sailor Moon design. There were also really cute Pokemon designs. But I ended up going for the Sanrio one. Oh
my god.
Gag.
I love the colors.
Yes, it's in this interesting material. I believe the website described it as like an embroidered kind of design.
Shut up!
Oh my goodness.
It's huge.
She has a little pocket on the inside here. And so yeah, I love a tote bag. I've never had one that is as big as this, so it's very, very handy. I think it'll be especially great when we're traveling and things of that nature. Like I can just stuff it in my checked bag or I can use it as a carry-on and it's just, yeah. I can take it to the grocery store.
Stop. You look so cute with it.
I'm walking on the street. You see me.
Everyone stops you. They're like, where did you get that tote?
I'm like Totally Fine Co.
It's so cute. You love.
I love. I'm a big fan.
I think it was a worthwhile purchase. It was only $35.
Yes, the biggest reason as to why we purchased it is because I think they were having like a crazy deal of anywhere from, I don't know.
It was only 15% off.
Listen.
It was something crazy, but it was a really good price, especially for a tote this size and with like such a cute design.
It was, I believe, $30, which I do think is like a lot for a tote bag, but listen, I'm happy with her and hopefully I can use her for many years to come.
She's so cute.
Big fan. Wow.
Do you like it, baby?
Yeah, I love it. I love the Hongyodon.
Yeah.
I'm a big fan. So cute. Okay. This second package is from Bonnie. Bonnie. It's a mystery. I have no idea what she sent, why she sent it, or anything, but Bonnie, I know you're not watching this, but on the off chance that you do, thank you. Bonnie is my friend from college. She's appeared in previous vlogs, and I don't know why she sent me this. Oh, what is this? Oh, stop! Oh my goodness!
Did she make you a calendar?
She made us a calendar, babe.
So sweet.
To Sai, Cass, and Chimmy. Look at this drawing she made of Chimmy. Shut the fuck up. Also, if y'all ever hear us refer to someone named Bobby, just know that's Bonnie. We call Bonnie Bobby. So
Call me Bobby.
wow. And so that's why it says Bon, and then she scratched it out and wrote Bobby. Stop.
This is so
Do you
cute.
want to read her letter? Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, this drawing of chicken.
I know.
Look at you, baby.
Shut.
She's such a sweetie.
This is amazing. I'm gonna cry.
Yeah, that's
Thank
a
you
cherished
so
item.
much, Bobby. Oh, what? I'm like literally so gagged. This is so precious. Thank you, Bobby. And then this was also included. This is too much. This is just... Oh, incense and soap. This is so... I am so touched.
Thank you so much, Bobby.
Thank you, Bobby. Yeah, Bobby, you'll never see this, but
She's
thank you.
chronically offline.
True.
Which is why she has time to do beautiful things like this. This is the sweetest gift. Like, I could really weep. She's so talented. Oh.
Shut up. I'm like, oh my god.
I love you.
Oh my god.
Such a good idea to make calendars. Wow.
Oh,
This is so sweet.
I love friendships, you know?
Thank you, Bobby.
Thank you, Bobbies.
We love you very much, Bobby. This is so sweet. It will go everywhere. I will make photocopies. I will.
I
make
know
a
what's
wallpaper.
fucked up is that I actually like want to use it. Like I want to like write on it and stuff, but it's so it's too beautiful. for
Yeah,
that to
I don't
be.
think it's too fragile. I think it's more just a hang on the wall situation. But it's beautiful, and every month it can bring joy for a whole year.
Wait, I'm not allowed to actually use it?
I mean, you can.
You don't want me to?
No, you can.
Well, anyway, thank you, Bobby. Good morning, my angels. I'm on a bit of a time crunch right now because I'm in the middle of filming a Get Ready With Me, and Cammy is on his way because I'm doing the very adult thing and I'm about to get my first ever Costco membership. It's been years in the making. Cass has been begging me to get one since the beginning of our relationship, but I had always just mooched off of family members or neighbors that looked vaguely like me. And as we all know, Costco is really, you know, punching down and trying to stop people from mooching off of memberships. And at this point, I haven't been to Costco in what feels like lifetimes. And after asking all of my friends in Boston if they had a Costco membership that I could mooch off of and everyone responding no, I finally made the very adult executive decision to sign up for one so that Cammy and I can go together every month, because that just sounds like a lovely way to bond and to save money. So because I'm under such a huge time crunch and because I'm filming a short form video, I'm gonna see you guys after I finish getting ready, and maybe we'll even be at Costco already. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll talk to you guys after I'm done with this face beat.
Okay, you guys, we just got to Costco, but we literally got an email like seconds ago from our apartment building saying that we can break our lease. So now we have to leave Costco to go tour an apartment. And we're enjoying our hot dogs.
Oh my god, it's so fucking good.
Multiple apartments tours later.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Can I ask what kind of fish this is? And that's real. And that's fair.
said it, and what do you want to know?
Everyone, it's Kemi's first time at Meat Fresh,
I'm
which
so excited.
is a California classic. Okay, we got the double taro, which has grass jelly, 2 scoops of taro, QQ balls, which is like fresh taro and boba, and also ice cream. So eat up, my children.
Should I pour it? Yeah.
Hello, friends. It has been, frankly, a chaotic and horrible day for our household. Happy's in the background. It's been really rough because of all the apartment stuff, and Cass and I have been bickering because of that, and it just hasn't been good. It's okay. We've reached an okay spot. We're trying to figure it all out, and in great news, we have an Asian grocery haul to show you. Woo-hoo. So despite all of the insanity that's going on, which I will let you guys know once we have figured everything out that's going on with our apartment. Oh yeah, everyone say hi to the hole. Hi, hole. Hi, hole. There's just a hole in our apartment, and yeah, it's gonna be loud, and the next week it's gonna be a lot of patching that up. So back to the good news though. Huge wee haul starts now. Yogurt, cream. By the way, I had no idea that cream is so expensive. Cass was like, yeah, because Cass makes a lot of like, you know, whipped cream and stuff. This was $6 and it was on sale.
Yeah, usually it's like 8.
What the hell?
Like any dairy product right now is just really expensive.
Everything's just really expensive right now, unfortunately. But heavy whipping cream, a cabbage, Chinese cauliflower, jumbo carrots, Chinese sweet radish, perla leaves, strawberries, tomatoes, a new brand of fish sauce that I've been wanting to try, and we just finished our other one, so. Nam noon, baby octopus, black cod, juicy corn and pork dumplings, swai fillets, edamame. If you hear rustling, it's because Cass is putting away groceries in the background. These Japanese dishwashing gloves. I'm very excited about these. Perla leaves, steamer clam, baby clam meat. For my Viet Froggies, if y'all have ever had ngo suk banda, one of my favorite dishes of all time. Chicken thigh meat, green onion pancakes, baby scallops, green beans, cherries, because they were on sale and Cass really likes them. Arugula and salad mix, bananas, apples, onions, bok choy, napa cabbage.
It's even bigger.
Yeah, potatoes. And last but not least, Cass's favorite thing in the world, these Korean cream donuts.
donuts.
Good.
And that was our big grocery haul. All of that ended up being around 150 USD, in case that's interesting to you at all.
I would say that's a steal. If you bought this like at the market, like at Star Market,
Right.
300.
I do intentionally make sure everything I get is like on sale. So that might be why if you're thinking, wow, that's really affordable. It's because everything was on sale. Hello cuties, it is very dark, but this light is very bright. So if I'm squinting, that's why. Cash just headed out to get a package, but we're about to cook some dinner together. Honestly, it's been a rough couple of days. There's been a lot of just confusion on so many things and housing, and we've just been really, really stressed. So Cass and I just kind of want to chill, cook some dinner at home together, and watch some TV. I just started my period. I just stopped taking my birth control, so I'm feeling wildly out of control hormonally. I tried taking the birth control for a couple of months, but like I didn't feel that good on it, so I stopped. But sorry, I'm just rambling and all over the place right now. Ugh. All that to say, Cass and I recently have been watching a Korean cooking show on Netflix. The name is totally escaping me right now. And on that show, one of the chefs uses this peeler to make noodles out of carrots. And I remember having zoodles as a kid, and I thought that was so incredibly delicious. But he specifically made jajangmyeon out of these carrots. And I was so inspired that I actually ended up purchasing a little vegetable guy. It is 4 different settings, and I'm extremely excited about it. And so I bought some jumbo carrots delivered in the wheat order that you just saw, and I would like to try to make them. Admittedly, I don't really know where to start, and I'll just be completely flying off of just vibes. Really, I'll just be vibing. So we'll see if it's any good. It really might just end up being awful. In any case, it'll be fun for Cass and I to spend some time together and to cook together. So we're gonna listen to music or a podcast or something as we chop and cook. So we'll talk once it's time to taste it. Sorry, I'm looking real rough. Woof. That's life sometimes.
But I'm gonna be sous chefing.
I'm gonna trust you with the zoodler. Some devices are called zoodlers. So I'm thinking we do carrots and we do
Zucchini.
zucchini. You want to try zoodling that?
Are we doing the zucchini like noodles as well, or is that a weapon? Hold it.
Cass is really impressed by the size of his carrot. I bought jumbo carrots. I usually don't buy jumbo carrots because why would we need jumbo carrots? Maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe it's excessive. Do you think?
No, because we're gonna need them as the noodle base. So I think we'd need more than usual.
Right. So true, babe.
But we'll see how the noodler goes.
You guys, Cass doesn't want to zoodle these. Sad.
We can. There will be many nights for zoodling. It doesn't have to be. But like I said, it seems like you really want to, so I'm down for it.
No, it's okay. Wow.
I'm like scared. I'm trying to figure out. I feel like this would be the right one.
Wouldn't we want the thinnest one?
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Look how long this carrot noodle is.
That's pretty hardcore.
Wow.
I would say it worked great.
My workout for today.
We got our potatoes. We got our kini. We got our nyans.
This looks so freaking good.
Cheers, baby. Good job on the nudes.
Laid together. Joint slay.
Slay. Wow, that looks so good. It's the perfect meal to watch the finale of Culinary Class Wars.
We love this show so much.
Really
This
good.
season has been excellent. But season 1 was also excellent.
True.
Really good.
I'm so excited to try this.
So inventive.
Cheers, honey.
Baby, you slayed the sauce.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.
It's just so good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna grab our water bottle. What would you say about it?
I think it's so yummy. I think the carrot noodles are absolutely brilliant. I'm intrigued to try the carrot noodles in other recipes. Like a tahini, zesty,
Yeah,
sesame noodle would be so good.
it's really good. Really excellent. Loving it. Sauce is awesome.
I think you can really forget that it's a carrot.
It's delicious.
10 out of 10. Would make again. Thanks for cooking it with me.
I love you. Good to have water.
The sauce complements it really well.
Yeah.
너무 좋았어. 이거 지금 3월이에요.